Hey y'all, welcome and thanks for tuning in. Today I will be unboxing the Jacquard Patchwork NS1 sneakers by Dolce & Gabbana, which is from their Patchwork di Sicilia collection. So first off, we can't not acknowledge how cute this little box is. It's like a two-story drawer on each side, and you actually have to flip the box over to get each shoe out on each side. Too cute. So the shoe itself is just a cute and little fancy number. It's mixed brocade and jacquard upper with branded label. Then it's got the branded toggle fastening and drawstring with jacquard logo. If you look at that tongue on the shoe, it also has a branded label. And then on the very back of the shoe, there's a branded tape pull tab. That's really, really cute. The shoe is just so detailed. It's a really, really busy shoe. Take a look at the rubberized heel detail with micro injection logo. Beautiful. And then if you look a little closer, you'll see a mesh lined heel on the shoe. So now we're just going to flip the box over so we can get to the other shoe. See how that works? And also, I didn't want to forget to mention that these shoes have a calfskin footbed that also have a branded label. So again, these are the cutest little sneakers. I'm slowly but surely becoming a sneaker girl, and these are so perfect because they are so versatile. You can dress them up or you can dress them down. They're pretty much for any occasion. And they're so colorful that you can pretty much play them and dress them up with any color, or you can just simply wear black or white. These beauties were a gift from hubby, and even though the unboxing is all about the shoes, I wanted to mention the belt as well to go with the shoes. Now guys, the belt is also Dolce & Gabbana, and it's two-tone. So there's pink on one side, orange on the other side, and the belt is reversible. See the little toggles that come with the belt? And there you have it. It's not much to it.